and the woman behind the most famous minivan in America asked a judge to throw out the case against her.
Good evening. Oriana Farrell was in a Taos courtroom today. Her attorney told the judge if prosecutors don't start handing over evidence, including the state police IA report that led to the firing of the cop that shot at her minivan, the case should be dropped. Here's News 13's Lizzie Mitri.
Jessica Farrell was arrested for leading police on a chase and for child abuse for having her kids in the car with her at the time. Today, the judge said the case will go to trial.
Only whispers from Oriana Farrell in court in Taos today. A stark difference from the loud, chaotic scene state police dashcam video captured back in October. A traffic stop for speeding escalated to so much more. Farrell of Memphis drove away from state police before being stopped again. This time, she and her 14-year-old son got into a confrontation with rookie officer Tony DeTavis. As DeTavis breaks out a window with a baton, Farrell speeds off again, and Officer Elias Montoya shoots at the van's tires with Farrell's 5 kids, ages 6 to 16, inside. Montoya was fired after an internal affairs investigation, something Farrell's attorney wants to get his hands on. He also asked for the state's witness list, or that the judge just let Farrell go.
What I'm asking for basically is that the court issue an order either dismissing the case or with some appropriate sanctions.
Prosecutors agreed to submit a witness list, but argued the internal affairs investigation is irrelevant to the charges against Farrell.
It's not a defense or negate the fact that Ms. Farrell fled, that Ms. Farrell created this situation by not simply complying with the speeding ticket that Officer DeTavis was attempting to issue her on that date, Your Honor.
The judge ordered the IA investigation to be submitted to the court within 10 days so he can decide if the defense can have it. He says no matter what, it will not be made public.
Farrell's trial is scheduled to begin in October. Jessica, back to you.
Okay, Lizzie, the rookie officer who made the stop tried to pull Farrell out of her minivan in front of her kids and then broke out a window, was not punished at all. KRQE News 13 has also learned that Farrell has notified the state that she'll be suing.